We have an amazing adventure today, the trifecta: hot spring, giant waterfall, and a landslide lake. And to make it even more exciting, we're gonna raft halfway down and then swish up this giant waterfall and keep rafting all the way back. And watch this video until the end because we also found a bonus hot spring that's never before seen until now. I got with me my intrepid adventurer companion,
Outdoor Boys!
How long you been rafting now?
I don't know, a couple months, half a year.
Gone to so many places. He's at the next level. We're taking him on the advanced route today. Starting this adventure right out at an amazing spot. This is the lower part of Bishan Hot Spring. All of this water coming down, including this river you see below me. All of this is hot. Check out this steam. I don't know if you can see the steam in the camera coming off the rocks here. This is an amazing place, one of the best hot springs. Anybody who wants to come here, it is just a 5-minute walk from that red bridge over there. It's a little bit tricky to get down with boats, but if you're coming by yourself, if you're not carrying much, you can just climb right down those ladders. It's super easy, and you get this amazing hot spring with a little hot spring river. You can dam that up, make a pool, hot spring shower if you want. There's that awesome cave behind there. If you're really feeling adventurous, you can stand in front of the pee hole.
What?
Look at this.
订阅 Outdoor Boys!
This water is shooting out of here, and it is hot, 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 hot. Oh my God, I was burning my hand just filming that. We're gonna raft now. I know it's low water, but still, this is an advanced route, so I still don't recommend anyone just coming here yourself. If you want to raft, what you should do is grab yourself a Xiaopei pack raft, and we'll take you out. We'll teach you how to use it. We'll go on many trips with us. Yachi is signaling for me to get going. She wants us on the road because we have a long day ahead of us. So let's get moving. We hate all of these like concrete and construction stuff. They cause a lot of problems. See how the beginners do. This will be the most difficult trip for most of these. Okay, avoided the concrete, good. Yeah, less good. Ping. Perfect. Like a boss. Haiduan, we have fun. We just got to the Lisong River and新武呂溪堰塞湖. On the way down, of course, it's low water. It's really messy in low water because there's so big rocks. Everybody's getting stuck. Had to scold the team members a few times just for being too close. It's always important in these situations to like keep some distance between you and your team members. But that's what they're here for. They're here to learn. That's why we have these classes, to help everybody build up their skills and start to be able to go on crazy adventures by themselves. That's the dream. So many people ask me if you can kayak down from Lisong Hot Spring. And the answer is no, you cannot. And you'll see why in a bit. From the satellite photos, it looks like there's a 70 to 100 meter waterfall up here. Right below that, there's also like 2 or 3 10 to 20 meter waterfalls. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to get over them. I don't know if it's possible. You know, this is just an adventure that's going from the satellite photos. So we could say it's a potential big waterfall, guaranteed adventure. Woo, it's cold. Woo! Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah!
These rocks are huge. That's hilarious, this one.
Yeah, go on.
Wow. So beautiful here. Wow, Shaku. Wow, what time is it? 1. Another canyon. Thái An là lơ. Tôi cái xe cơ. Tôi cái xe cơ. It's gonna be that's a third canyon that we're going through. It's so cool, this river. The fuck is all of this? Take a photo of that. Yeah, they probably throw them off the road. But yeah, it doesn't look like the water would drop them all here. I think people throw them off. This river is dangerous, dang. He says there's a hot spring. Holy, what? Really? Okay, can we go around there or do we have to go here? Maybe that's probably safer. First check there. Let me see here. We put a rope or jump to here. Woo, that's dangerous. It's real tough, and some of the stuff that we have to do on the way back are going to be a little bit risky, a little bit difficult. We're going to have to figure them out. We need extra time. It's not good, really. I think we gotta go around on that side. I've made as far as we can. Here is proper dangerous. We can't go further than this today. I did manage to climb up this, so you could go further, but realistically, I should probably rappel down from the top or rappel down from the road, something like that. This river's tough. There's still 3 big waterfalls in front of us. You know, it's only a couple hundred meters, but we're not making it today. There's no way. So we're doing the responsible thing. We call our reset time past 1:30. We gotta go back. We still have to go kayaking, so we're heading back, and it's fine. Still a lovely trip. This is like the hardest river trace I've done in a long time. We've been mostly kayaking, not so much river tracing, and this one's really fantastic. It's a real challenge, real enjoyable, and really beautiful.
北，好疯哦！你们以前都这样玩吗？
我被发现了。
I kind of irresponsibly jumped across this gorge here. Everybody else followed me, but we found an equally irresponsible way to come back down, so we're okay. So this is not deposited by the river. Somebody up there by a road somewhere is just throwing them off the edge. So whoever you are, fuck you. It is a shame that we didn't make it that huge waterfall, but now I really understand why we've never seen any photos of it, because it is just extremely difficult to get to, and judging by the size of sort of obstacles in the river, you know, I haven't seen it from the satellite photo and then gone up it and measured them myself. I think that up there is probably 2 30-meter tiers, and then on a 100-meter tier or more, maybe like 120 meters. So if you are looking for a huge waterfall, there is one left to be discovered right up that river. You probably have to rappel it, but you could also fly a drone just from the road. It's actually pretty close to the road. I hope to do that myself. If you don't see any drone footage and it's just my face talking, that means that we were too late, in which case I encourage you to go over there and film it yourself. I'll put a link in the description for where you should stand to fly over it. You know, just the closest point on the road to it. Anyway, I'm starving. Feel very happy today because for lunch we're having dumpling. Sorry. So cool, huh? Yeah. One cool thing about this lake is that Yachi and I discovered it. We were the first people here, just by the sheer dumb luck of just, you know, being the first people to go down the river after the landslide. So, pretty cool. It's a really fantastic place. Encourage everybody to come here. I don't know how long it'll last, so you know, check it out while you still can. But it's so neat with these like really, you know, colorful marble canyons. We don't have sunlight now, but maybe you can still see it. Just there's so much color in the rock here, and it's just like this the whole way. Like just so much beautiful color here, beautiful patterns. It's just fantastic. I mean, just look at these rocks. So cool. So this whole lake is caused by those rocks there that fell down, and they dammed the river. They dammed it at kind of a narrow spot, and so it blocks the water, and we get a really cool lake here. And it's just so colorful. It's hard to explain. I wish it was sunny because you can't really see how colorful it is in the camera, but it's just so nice. Super, super nice. It's really deep. We estimated about 10 to 15 meters deep at the deepest. It's just cool. It's just surreal being here. It feels really nice. So calm and peaceful. And because like the lake goes around a bend, from here in the middle, you can't see the end of it on either side. So it extends forever in that direction as far as I can see, and it extends forever in this direction as far as I can see. So it's really, just really gives you the sense of like isolation in here. And that rock there kind of looks like a lion. Today it's already a bit late and we're a bit cold, but jumping off of that rock should be possible. I really hope this lake's still here in the summer. I mean, this would be the place to hang out, party, have a good time. Try to hang in there, lake. Last just a few more months, or years even. When we came here last time, there was just so much dust as you would walk through here, walk through this grass. You'd just be in a cloud of dust. It was really fresh after the landslide, and just every time you touch a plant, so much dust. That one's sticking out. Okay. Okay. 我们要边让那个石头是很尖尖的，就是，对啊，就是不要冒险。哎，温泉！哎，温泉！
温泉，
真的。
耶！取名字。
温泉！
温泉。
He feels so good. Okay. Just skip it. See if that's a hot spring. From here to the next couple hundred meters, look for hot spring stuff, okay? I think left, but it could also be right. It looks like in front there might be something. Do you see anything here? What about that wet thing there? I'll take a look. Is this a hot spring? Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Oh!
好烫哦！温泉，哇！新发现到一个温泉。哦，那不划船了哈，我要跳进来了。哦耶！超热的。
对，是下马。可是下马就是2008年，就是那个八八台风时候就是坏掉，所以就是应该今年回来了。
新的下马。
还是去年都没有人去看，我不知道。A lot of water. Oh, oh my God, it's really hot here. So here it is, folks. You saw it first on Follow Xiaofei, Xiama Wenchuan after 13 years. It's back. You see that big landslide there? So that created a landslide lake in 2016.
Yeah.
And it was there for 2 years until 2018. And so this would have been underwater. But before that, it was all the Typhoon Maricot just smashed everything. Oh man, this is good. You know, I thought maybe we'd just find like a tiny drop of hot water. Like up there, that's what I thought we were going to find. This is amazing. 好，我不想走了。
没有要离开。
我们是不是快到了？
对，我们快到了。有人要快出去吗？早一点出去，早一点 finish。没关系，可以知道。Wow, what a day! We didn't make it to the waterfall, but we found 2 hot springs, a brand new hot springs. What a fantastic trip. I think I'm going to end it here. If you guys are interested in this hot spring with a lake, there's a link at the bottom with a map and how to get there. And you're interested in rafting, you want to be like outdoor boys over there, who's now going on advanced trips after getting one of our boats, then also link in the bottom. Yeah, I gotta go. My team's leaving. You all have a fantastic day.